Hey all, I'm back in this video to share with you how you need to prep your skin and to clarify your doubt on this point. If you've been thinking that makeup does causes skin irritation, it doesn't. Instead, it protects your skin from UV rays. If you prep your skin the right way, this collagen soothing serum, it's from Hanun. Secondly, my sunscreen. The sunscreen is Cetaphil's. This is Cetaphil sunscreen, my under eyes primer, and my primer, the primer for my whole face. Next, with my foundation, usually you have to apply your foundation with the brush before you dab with another foundation brush or with a beauty blender. Now, when applying your foundation, don't wipe. I see most people wiping their foundation. It's not right. You need to tap it in. Tap, the way I'm doing. Tap like this. So, but this is actually the highlighter. I highlight my under eyes with this lighter shade concealer. And then now I have to contour. I'm using this wet contour base. And then now I'm setting my under eyes with this low setting powder from Fit Me. I sometimes like to start my whole face, do it then before I go to the eye area. So if you know you're doing the eye area after, you need to bake your under eyes properly and leave some powder to sit on the highlighted points while you do your eye area. So this is me drawing my eyebrows. I start off with a lighter shade pencil, dark brown, and after that I'll need to fill it in because I'm going in with enough eyeshadow makeup look. So I want my brows a bit darker because I'm going to be having a dramatic wing. So the wing can be too dark and my eyebrows are not. So the wing will be dark and my eyebrows need to be a little bit dark. I love them a little bit dark. So I need to highlight my eyebrows now with this concealer. And I hope as for the brows, you can do it now. I have done a lot of videos on eyebrows, but if you still want me to do more, you can let me know in the comment section. So I go ahead to draw my wing. I do love it sometimes. If I'm not going in with eyeshadow, I just love to put a dramatic wing and stick on my eyelashes. So that's me sticking on my eyelashes, and now I dust off this powder on my highlighted points, and as well setting up my whole face with translucent powder from Essence. And then I go ahead to place this bronzer on the highest point of my cheekbones to highlight it, in my nose line, just a little bit of it. And I line my lips. Now I put on my lipstick next, and this shiny glam lip gloss, it's giving, guys. What do you think it's giving? As for me, it's giving. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.